Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Firoz Mohammed here. So in this video, we are just going to see how we can utilize LinkedIn Sales Navigator for generating leads. All those who doesn't know what is Sales Navigator is, it is an advanced sales tool from LinkedIn Corporation using which we can generate leads very easily from almost any profile which is present on LinkedIn. We know that we use LinkedIn for just finding our jobs, and then almost every professional on this planet have a profile on LinkedIn. Now, with the help of this advanced sales tool called LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you can reach out to almost anyone by searching, and then you can just reach out to them for your business. So sales professionals can just increase their sales just by utilizing LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So I'll just show you how you can utilize the Sales Navigator just to search for the leads that you want to, and then save them, and then how you can just find out the profiles that you need. So let's get started. So I'm on my LinkedIn profile, and LinkedIn Sales Navigator is a premium account. So you just have to subscribe for that. So once you subscribe, you get this option, LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Click on that. That will take you to the Sales Navigator homepage. And then here you have option to get alert on sales leads, and then the news, etc. from your leads and account, etc. You can see on the left hand side. And then here we have the option just to search for the leads or accounts. So here 4 types of searches available. First one is search for leads. Second one is search for accounts, mentions in the news. And the fourth one is recent job changes. So let's start with search for leads. Even before that, I can simply search here for someone, for a person, just by the keyword over here. I can just search by keywords separated by comma, or I can just put a boolean keyword. For example, if I just want to find out the directors of sales from IBM Corporation, I can simply type like director sales IBM. So it is showing me the option. Before that, I just press enter. So I can see some list of contact. Okay, global director of sales at IBM, regional sales director at IBM. So many people are here. So I got 109,000 plus records. Great number. And then here I have the option just to filter it out. If I just want to get only directors from United States, then I can just filter it out again. So I got some 53,000, close to 54,000 profile I can see here. Then I can just check for the seniority level or any other kind of tags and etc. I can check here. So all these are directors, right? Director sales learning in IBM, etc. So I exactly need director of sales. And now it's again filter it out. Director of sales, exactly director of sales I get. When you say director of US healthcare sales, etc. So I can further go ahead and just filter it out. And if I need only for some particular industry, then I can just enter the industry, information technology and services. Okay, I can filter it out. So some 3,000 director. So like this, I can just keep filtering it out. I can just say that 120 of these people have changed their job in the past 90 days. I can get the information about them, what their new role like, and 4 mentioned in the news in last 30 days, and 705 posted on LinkedIn in past 30 days. All that kind of information I can get based on the search I have put here. I got more information here. Okay, so and in the same way I can just search for accounts also here for the same set of keywords that I entered. I can just, but I couldn't find anything because I was primarily looking for a position, people based on a keyword, so I can find that. Now what else I can do once I just did the search? As you have seen it, I can just filter it out based on so many factors like the relationship type. Like, okay, I just want to find only those people who are my 3rd degree. I'm hoping that you understand what is 1st degree, 2nd degree, etc. 1st degree means everyone that I'm directly connected to. 2nd degree means those set of professionals who are connected to my connections, whom also I can reach out to. And 3rd degree connection means everyone else, which I have no connection, or neither my connection have any connection. That is 3rd degree. So let me just select 3rd degree connection, everything which I am not connected to, or simply I'm just curious just to know how many of the director of sales from IBM are connected to me. Yeah, no one. I'm not that big to connect to sales directors from IBM, by the way, at this moment. All right, so I just did my search. I can just remove that very easily. And once I find out a set of people based on my searches, I have the option just to save my searches. I have an option here, save search. So here I have so many saved searches are here like D365 developer juniors, VP of sales search, general search, and etc. I can just click on any of the searches I can find out. Let me first save my searches. I would say like director of sales at IBM. Save it. I have an option here to just set alert weekly or daily. I can just edit it further. I can just say make it daily, weekly, monthly, or never for daily. And then if I just want to just see this saved search already, you can just click on VP of sales search. Then I'll be able to see a set of searches which I have saved. Yeah. So this was looking for. I can see it here. Yeah. So this is known as a binary search. Vice President of Sales or VP of Inside Sales, etc. This is known as binary search. Then I can see the result here. So anyone who satisfies this condition will be appear here in this list. So once I save this kind of a search result, and then if I come back after some point in time, I'll be able to see like this. There are two new profiles have added to the search. There are 28 added to this developer junior. So it depends upon people change their profile or any other factors which I'm used here to just search for. Based on that, the system will find out those record and it will show me here. So that is quite useful, right? People who, when they change their profile, which matches my condition of search, to be listed down here. Here I'm basically looking for VP of sales or VP of inside sales from Plural site or Udemy, and I got some 39 records out of that. Okay, that's cool. And here I have an option to view all the filters. That just show me the list of all the filters here, which I can just set here, which I can change, etc. And I can just manually set. And I have an option here called apply your sales preferences. What is it? So basically we can just configure your sales preferences based on the relationship, the industry, the school, the geography, and everything. So every time when you go ahead and just perform a search, it will just search this leads as well as accounts based on that sales preference. That's what it means. So once I just set it, now you can see that it's only one result based on the preferences I have set. So how to access these sales preferences? You just go to discover and then go to edit your sales preferences. So once you just subscribe your LinkedIn Sales Navigator account, that point in time you have to just perform a simple configuration, and this sales preference is one of that. Just have to set it, and once you set it, then you can make use of it. So here you go. I just scroll down and I'll be able to see the geographies, US and London. It could be the SCT, a state or country. It could be the industry. I can set like only 4 industries I have set. If I just want to add one more here, like aviation, airlines, just select it. I can simply type in pharmaceutical if I am like to connect to. There it comes. Click, select that and click done. Then the company sizes. This is what is available. I can just filter it out, customize it, same way the function, the seniority level. So this is my sales preference, and whenever I perform any search here, it will basically search based on. So that is a very basic kind of search that you can do. The other thing is you can just search for leads. Then you just enter the keyword, which is pretty much same thing that we have tried. So here you can see like 1,700,000 plus profiles are there, but I'm not setting any keywords over here. So this is as per the sales preferences I have set up. Now, when I'm just looking for someone, for example, a digital marketing manager for an organization, I can set digital marketing manager, or I can set digital marketing executive. This is known as Boolean search. So it is asking me, it's just taking confirmation. People working as digital marketing manager, that's what we're looking for. So I couldn't find anyone with those keywords. So let me just try to reduce it a bit. Or maybe whatever I mean, there may be something wrong with whatever I mentioned here. So when I just mentioned digital marketing manager, I can see there are people here. I just want to find it only in my city. So the geography is already given here. Mostly cities from USA as well as from Australia. That's what I'm seeing here. Canada is few cities. So if I just want to select from a particular city, which I can just do that. So I have the option to clear all these filters. That makes a lot of sense. Just one in my city, I would say like Bangalore. Then I'll be able to find out 1,700 plus digital marketing managers are there who are based out of Bangalore. And then I can further filter it out using all these filtering options, and I can see the result. We got many more options to just search. We have option to search based on accounts. Just put some keyword and search for all the list of accounts available. And then mentions in the news. So this is basically if you just want to find out a person or a company which has any kind of mention, which got mentioned in any of the news recently, the system will just find out for you based on that. And finally, you have the option here, advanced option, search for leads and search for accounts. So this option is known as lead builder. So search for leads, and then here you can enter your keywords. I would say like CEO, president, and then you see here, you can just see like seniority level, you can set anywhere here, CXO or VP. Years in the current position, I would say like 6 to 10 years. Years at the current company, I would say like 3 to 5. And you can just search for many other things, and then you can just find, you can even find, just search for a person based on their first name. So I would simply mention John. Just make it interesting, right? Person with the name. So I'm just going to find out people who are CEOs, who have the job title of CEO or a president, and who have first name of John. And finally, just say search. So there are 80,000 plus profiles are there who have their first name John, a CEO, or they are a president. So like this, we can again search for leads or accounts based on this option, and we can just save the searches and we can just generate. So with the help of this binary search, you have a lot of options available. Just find out the profile, and once you find out the profile, what do you do? So you have different ways to reach out to your leads. You can serve them for future access, and also you can reach out to them by sending a mail once you connected with them, or you can just send them an email, which is the paid option available to you, paid mailing mechanism available for you. So even if you are not connected to someone, you can still send them a message, which is known as email. So we'll talk about email and other messaging mechanism in Sales Navigator in another video. So this is particular video. I hope it was very useful. And then if you have any comments or suggestions, you can just mention that below the video, and then share, subscribe, and share this video so that I'll be motivated to just create more videos on Sales Navigator. Okay, thanks everyone. Have a good day.